Good morning to all. Today I am going to start the new chapter which one is a microwave assisted organic synthesis, means green synthesis. Okay, in this, so you will have two parts which are microwave assisted green synthesis and unprovided assisted green synthesis. Okay, let's see this. What is microwave assisted green synthesis? Okay, so this can be termed as e-chemistry. Means here this is called as e-chemistry. So because it is a easy effective, eco-friendly, and economic. Okay, economic. Okay, so that's why. So it will developed in green chemistry and pharmaceutical applications. Green chemistry is developed in pharmaceutical applications. Okay, pharmaceutical applications. So that's why it is called as e-chemistry, because it is easy, effective, eco-friendly and economic. Okay, so means it will be easy for recording and it will be eco-friendly and it will be economic also. So that's why it is called as e-chemistry. Let's see another one. So this is what it will do now. So microwave induced organic reaction, organic reaction, enhancement chemistry is gaining popularity, as non-conventional technique, for rapid organic synthesis. Means here for rapid organic synthesis. So it can be useful method for this one. Okay, so here another important features are there. So here another important feature of this technique, easy access to very high temperature, and good control. Okay, input over reaction and rapid synthesis will be takes place. Means within minutes to hours we can complete this one. Okay, we can complete this reaction. So that's why, so we have to prefer microwave assisted synthesis. Okay, so let's see what are the advantages of this one. Here advantages. So advantages are nothing but simple, inexpensive, means it is not that much expensive. So within low cost we can carry the reaction. Inexpensive instrument. So microwave oven is so we can get within 10,000. Okay, so that's why. So inexpensive instrument, lesser quantity of solvent, means here it did not require so much solvent, so lesser quantity of solvents will be there, and it is called as Eco-friendly technology. Eco-friendly technology. This is a eco-friendly technology. It is a simple, inexpensive instrument. Means we can carry it in a simple manner. And so here inexpensive instrument means what here? Here in this one, it is not cast as the other instruments. Okay. So if you take microwave ovenism, so in every home there is a microwave oven. So we can carry, and it is a low cost instrument. Okay, so that's why this is an inexpensive instrument. For this it requires so here lesser quantity of solvents are enough to carry out the reaction. Okay, so and this is a eco-friendly technology. Here we are, it will not give any byproducts more. Okay, so that's why, so this is said to be eco-friendly technology. Okay. So next, let's see what is microwave. What is microwave? So microwave is nothing but it is a electromagnetic spectrum. In electromagnetic spectrum, in a first semester there is a chapter microwave, IR and Raman chapter is there. So in that we have studied already about this one. Okay. So spectrum, the microwave radiation, region is located between infrared radiation, means IR infrared radiation, and radio waves. Okay, radio waves. If you see here, this one means microwave energy. So IR has more energy. Next microwave followed by radio waves. Okay, radio waves. This is the energy order of this. Energy order. Okay, energy order of this one is here higher is having higher energy, and microwave. So microwave is in between infrared radiation and radio waves. Okay, radio waves like this we have to so this one. Okay, let's see what are the here. This is a low frequency one. Microwave is a form of electromagnetic energy. Okay, it is a electromagnetic energy. It is nothing but electromagnetic energy. Okay, so what is the frequency? Frequency of this one is, frequency ranges from 300 to 3 lakh hertz, megahertz. So it has this much of frequency. Okay, and wavelength is about 1 millimeter to 1 meter. Okay, so what is the wavelength and frequency of this microwave? So frequency is in the range of 300 to 3 lakh megahertz. And what about wavelength here? Wavelength is ranges from 1 millimeter to 1 meter. Okay, so here we can write it as a 0.32 to 300 gigahertz. We can write that also. Okay, so here mainly so which changes occurs? Only molecular rotations takes place. Molecular rotations takes place, not the molecules. Only molecular rotations takes place in this one. Molecular rotation, not the entire molecular structure. Only rotations will be performed if you give this microwave energy. So molecules performs the rotations only. Okay. So next one. So what is NMOs? For preparing this one, we have to take the starting materials, okay, at the same level. Okay, starting we have to take the starting materials of the same level. Okay. Here it performs, molecule performs only the rotations, not the vibrations. Okay. So the wavelength at which industrial and domestic microwave apparatus intended for this one. Okay. So here what is the regulated? Heating operates here. Heating operates is regulated to 12.2 centimeters. So means this corresponds to what now? So frequency, how much frequency is present for that 12 to 12.2 for this one? It has 2.450 gigahertz. So this much of energy is there. Okay, this much of energy is present. Okay, so let's see what are the benefits of this microwave assisted synthesis. Okay, let's see the benefits of this microwave assisted synthesis. Okay. Benefits of microwave assisted synthesis. Benefits of. I want to write a microwave. MW means what? Microwave. Okay, microwave assisted synthesis. Let's see this benefits of this one. Okay, so we can, so high temperatures means here superheating, sealed vessel, superheating in sealed vessel. Okay, vessels. Next, faster reaction. It completes very faster reactions, lesser byproducts, and it will give pure compounds. Pure compounds will be obtained in this one. Okay, so next one, absolute control over reaction is there. Absolute control over reaction parameters. Absolute control over reaction parameters. Next, we can select the heat. Means here high temperatures will be there. So here superheating will also be. So facility is there in a sealed vessel. We are using in sealed vessel. So these reactions are faster reactions, and thereby they produces lesser byproducts. Okay, lesser byproducts, and they will give the pure compounds. This object control over reaction parameters are also present. Here we can select the heating, how much we want now, so we have to select that one. Okay, selective heating, activation of catalyst, selective heating, activation of catalyst. Okay, so energy efficient, rapid energy transfer, is there. Okay, rapid energy transfer is there. Okay, so here what are the, so this is CG, energy efficient, rapid energy transfer will be there. Okay, so next EG to axis high pressure performance. So let's see another one. So here EG axis to high pressure performance, So don't things do conventionally. Okay, so next here these are some, let's see another one is there. Okay, next here rapid synthesis means it gets so low time, within minutes we'll get the product. Okay, rapid synthesis results in lesser evaporation solvents. There is no much evaporation of solvents. Okay, solvents, because so if it there now, so it means so it is said to be eco-friendly because it cannot evaporate that much solvents. It evaporates only lower quantity of solvents. Okay, next here recent means more techniques are taken, safety and protocol utility, practical utility. Okay, so that's why this is said to be microwave technology with reactions. So this performed the reactions performed on solid support synthesis. Solid support means if you use the solid support, okay, these reactions if you use solid support, so this constitutes an environmentally benign technique. This is called as environmentally benign technique. Okay, benign technique. So these are the some advantages of this one. So that's why. So current approach green chemistry involves the design and redesign of chemical synthesis. Okay, redesign of chemical synthesis of this one. Okay, it prevents the environmental pollution. For all these reasons, so this is said to be green synthesis. Okay, green synthesis. Let's see what are the limitations for every one. So there will be a limitations. Let's see what are the limitations are present for this one. Okay. limitations of this one. Here we have to take this one in millimoles. So that's why that's the problem here. Reactions carried in microwave are in millimoles or results the generation of small amounts. So we have to use the millimoles. Okay, reactants in millimoles. So thereby we got the generation of small amounts of products. Small amounts of products. Okay, it is said to be green synthesis. But what happened here? We have to use the means in only millimoles of this reaction. So that's why we'll get only small products. So this is cannot fulfill small amount of products which cannot fulfill the requirement of industry. How can we use these millimoles, small amounts of the products in industry? So it is not possible. So that is only one of the limitation for this one. Requirements of industries. That is one of the main limitation. Okay. And here the procedures are strongly limited by the presence of solvents. Here we are not using solvents. So the procedures are strongly limited. Use of means presence of solvents. Okay, solvents. So thereby it exposes you to microwave. So within 1 minute it will expose you to this one. A closed container. This is a closed container. Closed container is dangerous. Container is dangerous because sometimes it can be blast. Here, so in microwave, so all the reactions performed in a closed manner. So sometimes it can be a it cause a blast. Okay, so that is also one of the limitation for this one. Okay, because it can blast. Okay, it can blast. Another limitations are here side reactions within the polymer support reactions in reaction over solid support may run more slowly. If you use solid support, so these reactions somewhat run slowly due to why it is so occurs slowly because of the diffusional constraints. Okay, so here side reactions with the polymer support itself may occur. member support self may occur. Okay, so here these are the some limitations of this microwave assisted green synthesis. Okay, let's see the two principal mechanism interactions with this matter. Okay, here in this microwave, so it involves mainly two principles. Let's see what are those principles, how it works. Okay. So here two principal mechanism for interaction with matter. Two principal mechanism for interaction with matter. For interaction with matter. With matter. Okay. So here there are two specific mechanisms are there. Okay, two specific mechanisms. Let's see what are those mechanisms of interactions between materials and microwaves. Between materials means we are using that reactants. So these are the materials, and microwaves. Here first one is dipole moment, dipole interactions, dipole interaction, and second one ionic conduction. Second one ionic conduction. So okay, here two principal mechanisms are there for working this microwave. So based on the two types, so they are nothing but dipole interactions and ionic conductions. Okay, so these two mechanisms requires effective coupling between components. Effective coupling between components of the target material and the rapidly oscillating electrical field. Oscillating electrical field of microwaves. Electrical field of the microwaves. Field of the microwaves. Okay, so it requires means here there is a coupling. There must be coupling interaction between this target material and the rapidly oscillating electric field of this microwave. So that is the important one. Okay. So next here, so this is about the introduction of this one. So what is a microwave reaction assisted organic synthesis, and how it works, and what are the microwave reaction, and what is the how it works, what are the principle working behind this one, and what are the advantages, and how it is eco-friendly. It is said to be eco-friendly, and here we are not using the solvents. Okay, so like that, so we have seen this green synthesis. This is the so some limitations are also there. Okay, so what are the limitations there here? So we have it is a we are carry out in this very small quantity, thereby produces a small quantity of products. So if it produces small quantity of products, how can it implement to the bulkier? Okay, So means bulkier means what here? We cannot use, means for industry purpose it cannot be useful. Okay, so and here we are using this in a closed container. It can be blast. Okay. So next here less evaporation of solvents means we are exposing the less evaporation. Thereby what will be happen? So reaction may be completed. Okay, cannot be a completed one. So here next these are the principles. So it has to possess the dipole moment and ionic conduction will be there. Okay. So this means what here effective coupling must be present between these two target materials and the rapidly oscillating electric field of these microwaves. Okay. So these are some of these examples for this one. Okay. So this is about the introduction class for this microwave assisted organic synthesis. And what is the frequency of this the range, what is the wavelength, and what are the principle here. So I have discussed each and everything in this one. Okay, so in next class I will explain the reactions of this one. Okay, thank you.